Assalamualaikum and good day. So my name is Syahiedah Binti Danley and my matrix number is PB2311022. Today is 30 June 2026 and the time now is 11:43. Okay, so in this video, I will present the data analysis of my research using Smart PLSM. This method is used to examine the relationship between variables and embed both the measurement model and structure model. So, this video will document my step-by-step journey as I conduct the analysis. I will also show my process of working with the software, including any challenge I faced and how I solved them during the analysis. Okay, so first we need to open Smart PLS. Wait for a minute. Okay, then we will need to make a new project. Okay, I name it as MR Chacha. Okay, then first I will import the raw data provided by doctor into Smart PLS software. So the data was in Excel format. Okay, it includes all variables such as awareness, price, design, personal value, income, and product display. Okay, now I will change all the measurement to, so the mean and the maximum is 1 and 5. Okay, wait doctor, I change it one by one. Okay, this one. Okay, sudah. So check the maximum. Okay, this one. Change it to 5. Okay, then we import it. Okay, so after importing, okay, I will check the data set to ensure all indicators were correctly recognized in the system. Okay. After that, we will create a model. So I will name is MR Chacha again. Okay, the next step is actually to develop the structural model based on the research framework. Okay, so I will create all construct. Okay, first awareness. Why very hot? Okay, make it small. And then okay, and then price. After that, design. Adjust it. Okay, next the mediator personal value. Then the dependent variable product display. Okay, I will adjust it first. And then the lowest one is our my moderator, which is income. make it downward. Yes. Okay. Okay. And then after that, I will connect all relationship according to my hypothesis model. Ish. Okay, we will make it slowly one by one, doctor. This one connect to this one and then to the line. Okay. Ish. Okay. And then I will adjust it first to make it better, doctor. Okay. So after building the model, and then I will run the PLS algorithm. To check the auto loading. Okay, we calculate it first. It takes time, but not too long. And then, click auto loading. So the purpose of this auto loading is to ensure that all indicators are above 0.70. So from the first result, I found that awareness 1 was below 0.70. So it was removed from the model. Okay. Then remove it, adjust it to make it better. And then after that, after removing awareness 1, I will run the algorithm again. Okay, click auto loading again. Okay, all auto loading were now above 0.70 and there were no more red indicators. So this confirmed that the measurement model is now valid. And then we need to check the reliability and validity. Where is it? Oh, okay. Okay. First, we check the Cronbach alpha. So for the Cronbach alpha, all the volumetric requirement because CA is above 0.70. And move forward to the composite reliability, RHOC. So for the CR, it's also all volumetric requirement because it is above 0.70. For AVE, it's above 0.50. So all the volumetric requirement. So the model is reliable and valid. Next, we will move to HTMT. Okay, so as doctor can see, HTMT value are all below 0.85. So this show that all constructs are distinct and there is no overlap between variable. Okay, next, doctor, I will run, what is it again? Oh yeah, bootstrapping. Okay, now I will run the bootstrapping. Okay, wait a minute, doctor. Okay, so this bootstrapping is to check the total effect. So the results show that awareness to personal value is significant, price to personal value is significant, design to personal value is significant, personal value to product display also significant, but income to product display is not significant. So most hypotheses are support except income. So p-value show whether the relationship is significant. If it's below 0.05, hypothesis is supported. If it's above, then it's not supported. Okay, we run PLSM again. This one, I run it again because I want to check model quality, doctor. The R square, F square, and BIF. Okay. Click quality criteria. Okay, for the R square, the personal value is 0.208. For the product display, it is 0.288. Okay, for the F square, okay, F square shows personal value has the strongest effect, which is 0.400. Move forward to the VIF value, all between 1.0 and 1.3, which means there's no multicollinearity. Okay, doctor, we will run bootstrapping again. Okay, so we will check the specific indirect effect. Sorry. Okay. As doctor can see the mediation analysis, price to personal value to product display is significant. Design to personal value to product display are also significant. But awareness to personal value to product display is not significant. So that means mediation is partial. Okay, now I will run the run PLSM algorithm for the last time, doctor. So this for the last time, doctor. Okay. Here I want to check the moderation analysis. So income was tested as a moderator between personal value and product display. So based on the moderation graph, there is a positive relationship between personal value and product display for all income levels. So the graph shows three lines: low income, mean income, and then high income. Okay, so L3 line move upward in the same direction, meaning that when personal value increase, product display also increase for all income group. However, the difference between the line is very small, doctor. So the high income group show only a slightly stronger relationship compared to the other. This means that although income slightly increase, the strength of the relationship, the effect is very weak and not significant. So final conclusion for my moderation is that income does not significantly change the relationship between personal value and product display. Okay, but we can see it from, where is it? Conditional direct effect. Yes, this one, doctor. So as doctor can see, the high income for positive 1 standard deviation, it is 0.554. For the mean income, it is 0.540, and the last one is low income, negative 1 standard deviation, it is 0.527. Okay, so at this point, I would like to do a time management check-in. So today, it's still 30 June 2026, and I have already completed my Smart PLS SEM analysis. So for this recording session, I complete everything in less than 12 minutes without taking breaks, because I had already run the Smart PLS analysis several times before this final recording. So this helped me become familiar with the steps, including building the model, checking out the loadings, and interpreting the result. So during my early practice runs, I also encountered issues such as awareness 1 being below 0.70, and I solved it by removing the item and rerunning the model. So in this final session, my work was smoother and more organized. So overall, I feel that I managed my time efficiently because I was already prepared before recording this final version. So now I will do my final reflection for this Smart PLS analysis. So looking back at the whole process, I feel that this task helped me to understand Smart PLS SEM more deeply, especially in how to move step by step from raw data to final result. So the most challenging part for me was when I got the awareness 1 item is below 0.70. At first, I was a bit unsure, but I learned that removing low loading item is important to improve the reliability of the model. So after fixing it and running the analysis, the model become more stable and valid. So another thing I learned is that not all hypotheses will be supported. For example, income was not significant in my model. So this helped me to understand the real data analysis does not always give expected result. From this experience, I also improved my confidence in using Smart PLS, especially in interpreting results like auto-loading, p-value, and moderation graph. Overall, I am satisfied because I was able to complete the full analysis process step by step and solve problem on my own. If I were to do this again, I will try to manage my time even better during the first attempt and make sure I fully understand each step before running the model. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. Have a nice day.